Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox and flip through the new Got7 album, which is called Eyes On You. I have two versions to show you guys today. I unfortunately didn't get the on version. I do have the Eyes version here, which I picked up for myself, and then this one is the U version, which my sister picked up. So she has kindly allowed me to do a flip through on my YouTube channel, and I did also get some of the pre-order booklets as well. So I'm going to start on the Eyes version first. Let me just move this one out to the side. So this little photo book comes with a pre-order for all of the albums, and it is sort of like a little flip book. You also do get some sort of photo card-esque type thing in here as well, so you have a really awesome picture of them on the front. I really like the color theme that they went for. You have the yellow, red, and blue. They have some green in here as well, and then they also have like that really nice script that goes along with this. So in here you have some really awesome pictures of all of the members. I really like this outfit. This was from the Look music video, which I really loved. I am still streaming that today. I believe we hit 25 last night, 25 million, which is really great. I'm hoping to get 30 soon because I do want to get the part switch dance practice video. So keep streaming. If you are an August, keep streaming, keep watching, because I really want that dance practice. We've already unlocked 2 when we have 2 more left to go. So here we have a awesome picture of IM leader JB. I really like the concept of these images. You have Mark Jackson, Jin Young, and Young Jae. So you also get like this thing in here as well. I got the Bam Bam version, which is awesome. I really like the green. I think he suits green really well, and I like how he's wearing green contacts in here as well. I got a Bam Bam here, and it's sort of like a Polaroid-esque kind of strip. Young Jae looks so cute. I like this blue. Here's Bam Bam again with the green. You can see his contacts really well in here. This one is Yukyung. And then they have some more group shots. I like how they have like a bigger like group image or like 2-member image, and then they have some of these smaller ones on top of them. So they have all the members on this. They all look so good. This is a really awesome picture of Mark, that one of JB. Then they have some of these, which are just different types of images. I'm pretty sure that they did all of these with like a film camera rather than just like regular digital cameras, so that's why they get this really nice effect. Some of these images are like kind of blurry, like this JB one, this Mark one, but they look really nice. Ooh, Bam Bam looks good. Get some final images, and then you get a dance practice code at the back here to get on VLive if you don't have that. So this one was mine. This one was my sister's. I'll show you that quickly. It is the same notebook, but I'll show you the card that she got. She also got Bam Bam as well, so we got 2 Bam Bams, yay! So now I'm gonna go into the Eyes version on the Eyes On You album. With this, I also did get a poster. My sister also did get a poster, so I'll put images of those here. I already put mine up on my wall, but it is from the same photo shoot as this Eyes On You one with all of the members. And then I believe, let me just show you the cover first actually. So this is the cover. You have all the members here. You have this sort of glossy finish on the album version name, and then a glossy version of these Polaroids. That's what the side looks like. The writing is in yellow. And then you get 2 more images here, also glossy. I believe this little jacket thing is also a poster. And this one is of Jin Young. It looks so good. Let's take this out. I actually really wanted a poster of this outfit. I thought it was so nice. Or rather, this kind of concept for the boys. I'm probably going to put this up on my wall, but I kind of don't want to because like this stuff is on the other side, but it still looks cool. So I'll move that out of the way. I love how this thing is like holographic. It looks really cool. It's just plain on the back there with the logo. Gonna do a quick flip through. So the main color for this is sort of like a yellow color, which is nice. It's very bright. Let's get JB. I really like all these images, but I'm trying to make this video a little bit faster. I love this image of him. Model Mark, he looks so good. Again, I like how they have a larger image on the back and then two smaller ones. I think that looks really cool. Jackson. I think Jackson also looks really good in this comeback. They also did, like, I think they're doing a collaboration with Adidas as well. And like Jackson fits it completely. He's always wearing those Adidas tracksuits. Jin Young. I really like this outfit on him. He's being a little rude here. I see you. I see you, Jin Young. Bias wrecker for this comeback. Really, they're all bias wreckers. This one is of Young Jae. He looks so cute. He's also being a little rude in this comeback as well. If you don't know, I am an Agase, and I love all the members, really. I don't really have a specific bias. That's why, like, I don't really mind which photo cards I get because I love them all. Bam Bam looks really good. I like his red hair. The red, like, highlights. He looks so good. I also really like his contacts. And Yugyam. Did you all see his little fake mullet? He looked like a cherub. It was adorable. Then some group images. So you have Hongline here. The two eldest. They look great. Oh, I love this image. It's one of my favorite images. Here you have a very blurry image of Jackson, Bam Bam, and Youngjae. This one looks really nice as well. Here's another different photo shoot. They performed in these outfits as well on some of the music shows. I really like these outfits as well, the reddish ones. This is a different photo shoot. It's the same one that was on the cover of the U version. I love these. I love the colors. They look so good. I believe this was the outfit that they did with, in the collaboration with Hoylin, the one and only U outfits. Then these are the moments in my eyes. So they just have little messages from the members, all handwritten, of course. All of their writing is quite nice. Then they have their thanks here with some of the images. Then group thanks. And then the JYP contents. So in this, you do get another poster, and the one that I got is JB. He is my first bias, so I got one of these. I also got a sliver of Jackson here, as you can see, which is really funny. I'm gonna put this up as well. There is the lyrics on the back, in case you don't know, so all the lyrics to the album. And then you do get 3 photo cards, and the 3 that I got is JB, Yugyam, and Mark. So this is Mark's photo card with the yellow. JB. I really like this image. And then Yugyam. So this Yugyam matches with JB here. I was so excited to get these. Obviously I did already open this prior. I'm definitely one of those people that, like, once I buy it and once I have it in my hands, I open it straight away. So yay, so that is the Eyes version. Let's move on to the U version. So the U version, let's see what is the poster that came here. Oh gosh, my sister was so lucky. So my sister actually got this poster of 4 of the members. So this is the top up here by Yugyam, Bam Bam, Jin Young, and Jackson. That's so cool. I wish I got this poster. It looks so awesome. She's really lucky that she got 4 members. I kind of wish I got this version now, but that's what they look like. I forgot to show you what this looked like on, but they have this photo shoot on the other side, which looks cool. So I'm just gonna move that out and start flipping through the book. So again, the book has the holographic writing here. It is beautiful. I love it. And this color is more blue. Oh, I didn't actually say in the last one, but the CD for the last version was yellow. I didn't actually show it. Actually, let me get that back. So before I start flipping through the book, I forgot to show you guys what the Eyes CD looks like. It is yellow and gorgeous. This was in my CD player, so that's why it wasn't in the book, but look how pretty this looks. I love it so much. It just has the blue writing, the yellow background, and the holographic lettering on it. Now let's get to the flip through. So this book's colors theme is blue. So again, you start off with all of these single photos, and they're always labeled. They always have their names on it. So let's just flip through. I think JB's mullet looks amazing. He definitely spread to Yugyeom a little bit. He cut his mullet a little bit and he looks adorable. I really like people who can pull off very different styles. I think my favorite hair on JB though is like the JJ Project Tomorrow Today hair. I really like that. It looks really good on him. I also did like his Never Ever hair as well, the auburn hair. Speaking about hair, I think blonde Mark is like so superior. It is amazing. Like, he looks so good. Blonde hair really suits him. I also really liked his red hair as well. I think my favorite hair on him though was during Fly era. Like the sort of like soft brown. We have Jinyoung. Jinyoung never changes his hair, but he always looks good. Jackson always looks good, so he looks so handsome. Youngjae looks so cute. Bam Bam, I love this picture of Bam Bam. All of the colors going on here, the hair, the clothes. He looks amazing. He looks so handsome. This one too. Here's Yugyeom. So cute. I really like this hair color on him as well. I do miss the yellow from the 7 for 7 comeback, but they all look so good. They can never do wrong for me. And they have some group shots. You get Hung Line, Magne Line. And then some more from this photo shoot with like the Polaroids. JB's. I really like this aesthetic. I think it looks really cool. I like the kind of like retro vibe that they have. I really like the vibe of their Japanese comeback for My Swagger. I feel like that's so them. I think I said that before. But I love these images so much. I'm kind of jealous. I kind of want this one now. Damn it. Jackson and Jinyoung. Who's your bias, guys? Who's your Got7 bias? Because I can't pick one. They're all bias wreckers, so I just like the whole group. It doesn't matter what photo cards I get, as long as I get the Got7 album. And then I'm almost done the flip through here, then you can see the photo cards. Yugyeom looks really good in like these sweater vests. I like his earrings as well. I like how some of these images are like blurry. Some of the group shots. Got7, EOY, Eyes On You. I love the feel of this. Oh, this one. I love these images. Look how cute and smiley they are. Some more Polaroids. You and I, we got 7 moments. And they have little messages again. And then like the last one, they have their own thank yous. And then the next page is the group's thank yous. I love these images. And then the JYP staff. So for this one, ugh, can you guess? Look how massive Yugim's face is. This is hilarious. So this is the lyrics on the back here. It says Eyes On You. And you flip it, you get a massive poster of Yugim. He's so cute. His skin is so nice. His eyelashes are so long as well. He looks so good. So handsome. So that is the lyrics poster. And then the photo cards are here. The CD in here. It's different. It is blue instead, but the letters are yellow with the red dot, and then it's holographic again. The lettering. It's really nice. Then the photo cards that my sister got. She got Youngjae, Mark, and Yugim. So this is the same Yugim, just a different pose, I guess. So my sister and I both got Yugim, and then we also both got Mark. Wait. So me and my sister did actually get the same Yugim card, which is cool. We both got a Mark card, but just different poses, and then I got a JB and she got a Youngjae. Kind of jealous. So in my like photo card collection, I don't have many right now, but I am missing an actual photo card of Bam Bam, Youngjae, and Jackson. I do have Youngjae's little triangle from 7 for 7, and I have Bam Bam's like green strip from the lookbook, but I want actual like photo cards of them. So I'm going to continue collecting whatever I have. I'm going to continue supporting Got7 because I love them so much. I'm actually planning on getting some of the JJ Project ones. I don't know why I already don't have the JJ Project ones. Like, I need to get them. It's like probably one of my favorite albums and I listen to it like all the time, like on my phone and on my iTunes. But yeah, I need to pick up some JJ Project stuff. I want to pick up everything, even like their Japanese stuff. I want to get those as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this flip through. If you are an Agase, who's your bias? Let me know in the comments down below. I will continue to listen to this album until their next one. I've been rotating literally all of my CDs from Got7, so yeah, continue streaming, fighting Agase. So I think I will leave this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!